Here's something the supplement industry doesn't want you to know. There is no such thing as plant-based collagen. Zero. None. It doesn't exist. Look, if you're vegetarian, vegan, or you've been scrolling through endless lists of top collagen-rich plant foods, I know how frustrating this must sound. You've been promised that kale, mushrooms, and berries are packed with collagen. But here's the thing, those promises are built on a fundamental misunderstanding. In this video, I'm going to show you what plants actually do for your skin, joints, and hair. And honestly, once you understand the real science, you'll realize it's even more powerful than eating collagen itself. By the end, you'll know exactly which foods to eat and why they work better than most people realize. The fundamental truth, let's break this down. Collagen is a structural protein found exclusively in animals. It's in their skin, bones, tendons, and connective tissue. It literally holds animal bodies together. Plants don't have this protein. They use cellulose and other compounds for structure. So when you see products labeled vegan collagen or articles listing plant-based collagen foods, what they're really talking about are collagen builders. These foods don't give you finished collagen. Instead, they provide the raw materials, specific amino acids and helper nutrients that tell your body to manufacture its own collagen from the inside out. And here's what makes this even more interesting. Even when you eat animal collagen, your body doesn't just absorb it whole. What really happens when you eat collagen? Imagine collagen as a massive Lego tower. When you eat it, whether from bone broth or a supplement, your digestive system has to completely dismantle that tower into individual Lego pieces. These pieces are amino acids like glycine, proline, and lysine. They enter your bloodstream and join your body's general amino acid pool, kind of like a warehouse of building materials. From there, your body decides where they're needed most. Maybe muscle repair. Maybe hormone creation. Or, if conditions are right, rebuilding collagen for your skin. So whether those amino acids came from chicken feed or chickpeas doesn't matter as much as you'd think. What does matter is whether you're giving your body the complete toolkit it needs to do the job properly. And that's exactly what strategic plant foods do. They provide that complete toolkit. If you're ready to understand what actually builds healthy skin, strong joints, and vibrant hair from the inside out, hit that subscribe button. We drop science-backed health truths every week that cut through the marketing noise. The construction crew, essential amino acids. Alright, let's talk about the actual foods that help your body build collagen. We'll start with the building blocks themselves, the 3 amino acids that make up about 50% of collagen structure. Number 1. Glycine. This is the most abundant amino acid in collagen, making up about 1/3 of the molecule. Top plant sources: pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, soybeans, peanuts, lentils, and quinoa. Just a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds gives you a serious glycine boost. Number 2. Proline. This amino acid forms the unique collagen helix structure that makes it so strong. Get it from soy foods like tofu and tempeh, legumes, mushrooms, nuts, and seeds. A serving of firm tofu contains significant proline. Number 3. Lysine. This essential amino acid, meaning your body can't make it, is crucial for cross-linking collagen fibers, which makes them stable and strong. Rich sources include legumes, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, plus soy foods, nuts, and seeds. But here's where it gets really interesting. Having these amino acids isn't enough. Your body needs a support crew to actually assemble them into functional collagen. The support crew, essential cofactors. Think of these next nutrients as the specialized tools and skilled workers on a construction site. Without them, those amino acid building blocks just sit there unused. First up, and this is absolutely critical, vitamin C. vitamin C is the most important cofactor for collagen production. It stabilizes the collagen molecule and actually works at the DNA level to regulate how much your body produces. Without adequate vitamin C, your collagen literally falls apart. It's why sailors in the 1700s developed scurvy, bleeding gums, loose teeth, poor wound healing. Load up on citrus fruits, bell peppers, especially red ones, strawberries, kiwis, tomatoes, and broccoli. Just one medium bell pepper gives you triple your daily vitamin C needs. Next, zinc. This mineral is like the quality control inspector on your collagen production line. Zinc helps break down old, damaged collagen and supports the creation of fresh, healthy fibers. It's also essential for skin health and wound healing. Best plant sources: legumes like chickpeas and lentils, nuts especially cashew seeds like hemp and pumpkin, whole grains, and tofu. Pro tip: soaking and sprouting these foods increases zinc absorption. Copper might be the unsung hero here. It's a key cofactor for an enzyme called lysyl oxidase, which is absolutely essential for cross-linking collagen and elastin fibers together. Think of copper as the welder that permanently connects the collagen structure, making it strong and flexible, which is exactly what youthful skin needs. Get copper from whole grains, beans, nuts, potatoes, tofu, leafy greens, and yes, dark chocolate and cocoa. A square of dark chocolate after dinner? That's strategic health optimization right there. Sulfur is your collagen stabilizer. It helps form the cross links that give collagen its resilient structure. The best sources are allium vegetables, garlic, onions, leeks, plus cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, along with nuts and seeds. If you're already cooking with garlic and onions regularly, you're already supporting your collagen structure. And finally, silicon. This trace mineral is fascinating because research shows it directly stimulates your fibroblast cells. Those are the cells that actually manufacture collagen to secrete type 1 collagen and activate the enzymes that strengthen skin. Find it in whole grains, cereals, beans, and avocados. If you're supplementing, look for choline stabilized orthosilic acid, or CHOSA. That's the most bioavailable form backed by clinical research. Now here's the beautiful part. When you combine these foods strategically, you're not just supporting collagen. You're giving your body everything it needs to build its strongest structural foundation naturally. But there's one more layer to this story that's even more cutting edge. The Frontier Kale's secret weapon. Recent research published in the journal Frontiers uncovered something remarkable about one of the most common leafy greens, kale. Scientists discovered that kale contains these tiny particles called exosome-like nanovesicles. Think of them as microscopic delivery packages. When researchers applied these nanovesicles to human skin cells in the lab, something fascinating happened. Collagen production significantly increased. Here's what's wild. These nanovesicles contain microRNA, tiny genetic messengers that communicate directly with your cells. They boost collagen production by turning off a natural break in your system called SMAD7, which normally limits how much collagen you make. This is called cross-kingdom communication. Plants, literally talking to your human cells at a molecular level. It's opening up an entirely new frontier in how we think about plant-based skin health. Now, this research is still early and was done in a lab setting, but it suggests that compounds in plants might support your body in ways we're only beginning to understand, ways that go far beyond just providing basic building blocks. What's actually destroying your collagen? Okay, so we've talked about what builds collagen. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Even if you're eating all the right foods, certain habits could be destroying your collagen faster than you can make it. Number 1. Excess sugar and refined carbs. High sugar diets trigger a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to proteins including collagen and form AGEs, or advanced glycation end products. These ages make collagen stiff, weak, and prone to breaking down. They literally age your skin from the inside. Number 2. Excessive sun exposure. UV radiation is responsible for up to 90% of visible skin aging. It breaks down collagen directly and inhibits your body's ability to produce new collagen. I'm not saying avoid the sun completely. Vitamin D is important, but unprotected, excessive exposure is one of the most powerful collagen destroyers we know. Number 3. Smoking. Cigarette smoke destroys collagen not just in your skin but throughout your entire body, including in your arteries. If you smoke, this is your sign. And finally, chronic stress and poor sleep. High stress hormones impair your fibroblast function. Those are the cells that make collagen. And most of your body's collagen production happens during deep sleep, when growth hormone is released. So protecting your collagen isn't just about what you eat. It's about your entire lifestyle. So let's bring this all together. There's no such thing as plant-based collagen. But what plants do provide is potentially even more powerful: the complete toolkit your body needs to build the strongest, most resilient collagen structure naturally. Focus on getting your amino acid building blocks from seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Load up on vitamin C from colorful fruits and vegetables. Make sure you're getting zinc, copper, and sulfur from a varied diet. Include whole grains and avocados for silicon. And consider adding kale regularly for its emerging benefits. Even more important, protect the collagen you already have by managing sugar intake, protecting your skin from excessive sun, avoiding smoking, managing stress, and prioritizing deep sleep. Your body is incredibly intelligent. When you give it the right raw materials and support its natural processes, it knows exactly what to do. Here's my question for you. What's the first change you're going to make to support your body's natural collagen production? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give this video a like so more people can learn the real science behind collagen. Now, if you want to take this even further and discover the complete strategy for transforming your skin from the inside out, check out my Better Skin from Within video next. It's the perfect companion to what we covered today. You'll find the link in the card above. I'll see you in the next one.